This is Indy Nation News, covering the stuff that matters, usually. Sports, vending machines, the arts, and other stuff too. From Indy Nation World News Headquarters, right across the hall from the wood shop, Indy Nation News starts now.
Good morning, Indy Nation. I'm Amaya Doolittle, and this is Indy Nation News. And here's what you need to know as you start your day. Attention, Indy Nation. Indy Heart is having their first official club meeting this Tuesday at 8:45 in room 1403. This is an interest meeting for all the club as well as time to get all members set up for volunteer hours. Donuts will be provided. Don't miss out. When Posey moves to California, she wants to produce a news show with the AV Club, but they aren't interested in helping her. However, when the club sponsor goes missing, they band together to help find her. If you enjoy a good girl's guide to murder, come by the library to check it out. This is an exciting mystery today. The March Project Lit book is Promise Boys by Nick Brooks. Project Lit will meet on Wednesday, March 19th before or after school in the library. Stop by the library circulation desk to get your copy today. Read like a champion this March. Visit our honor library and find books about sports, athletes, and overcoming challenges. On Friday, 3-7, FCA, Fellowship of Christian Athletes, will meet in room 1216, Miss Bell's room, at 8:45. You do not need to be an athlete to attend, and all are welcome. That's all the time we have for this edition of Indy Nation News. Have a great day, and we will see you right back here tomorrow.